Hey guys, this is Gati. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel and yes, press the bell button to be notified when I upload a new video. So this video is gonna be super helpful. I will share some smart equipments with you which can make your travel more interesting. I have done enough research before making this video, so stay tuned with me. As you have already read the title that I'm going to show you 12 must-have travel essentials, and I will provide product links in the description section. So don't forget to check it after watching this complete video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first one in my list is universal travel adapter, because depending on where you go in the world, they don't have the same outlets. So a universal travel adapter is essential for traveling across different countries and regions. Next is portable travel toothbrush holder. It has space-saving shape, as you can see in the picture. It can store and organize your toothbrush and toothpaste, traveling and cosmetic accessories, makeup brushes, etc. It's in handheld size. Its compact case is perfect for luggage, suitcase, carry-on bags, and fits just about anywhere. As you can see in the picture, it can accommodate toothpaste, toothbrush and dental floss at the same time. It can also accommodate eyebrow pencils, eyeliner, lipstick and comb at the same time. So a very useful product, isn't it? Let's see the next one. It's 4-in-1 travel dispenser bottle set. You know, while traveling we have to carry our lotion, face wash, then cleanser, and most of the time we carry all the separate bottles and it consumes a lot of space in our bag. Here is the perfect solution. This 4-in-1 dispenser bottle has 4 refillable travel bottles in one durable dispenser case. The material is plastic and it is leak proof. So this portable travel container kit in water bottle size that takes little space in your luggage or backpack but allows you to bring 4 different kinds of lotions at a time. Isn't it cool? Let's check out the next product. Electronics accessories organizer. When you have so many electronic gadgets to carry along, then it's better to have one organizer, because in a huge bag it's always difficult to find a tiny earphone or charger. But if you carry this type of electronic accessories organizer, you can easily find it out from your bag, and on top of it, gadgets remain safe too. It will cost you approximately 600 rupees only. Next is shoe cover. Carrying your footwear during travel is always difficult. However, I have a quick solution. These super cool shoe covers which you can see on the screen right now, it's easy to carry. It has a transparent window for visibility. Like without opening, you can identify which shoes are there in the cover. It keeps your shoes separated from clothes in the luggage during the trip. And I'm adding 2 links for this product in the description section. The first one contains a pack of 12 shoe covers and the second one has a pack of 6. So you can choose as per your requirement. Next is neck pillow. The neck pillow wraps gently around the neck for relaxing the head and neck muscles and provides super soft and support simultaneously to the head, neck and chin while sleeping upright without getting a stiff neck. The pillow is very soft. You can also twist it in several positions and control how tight it will be around your neck with the rope. It is needed especially when you are traveling via flight. Next product is luggage weighing scale. This equipment would be really needed if you frequently travel via flights, because they are very particular about the weight of the luggage. Well, here I found the 2 best options. The first one is cost effective. The luggage portable scale with LCD display with a capacity of 50 kg and 2 weight units are available, pounds and kilograms. And the second one is, I personally like it. If you don't have budget issues, then I would suggest go for it. The weight limit is the same, which is 50 kg, and 4 different weight scales are available, and I will mention both the links in the description section. The next one is sleep eye mask. This sleep band for eye is needed to take a power nap and it gives immense relaxation to your eye. This is a mulberry silk sleep band for eyes, and it has a super smooth and adjustable strap. This lip mask is easy to wear, and the elastic and adjustable strap lets everybody can wear it very well, and it is an ultra lightweight, smooth, skin friendly stain eye mask that brings you the most comfortable wearing feeling. Go check it out. Next product is Lazy Cosmetic Bag. This is something unique I found. Have you ever heard this Lazy Cosmetic Bag? I found it damn useful. You know why? Because in pouch or other container, I always face difficulties finding out my tiny cosmetic stuff. So I found this concept so useful and unique. Look at the pattern of this bag. Isn't it cool? Even pretty colors are available, and it is designed to simplify our life. You can keep everything together perfectly, easy to find what you need. What you need to do is just need to open it like this, and your all the stuff you can easily check and find it out. And it is easy to reassemble too. Must recommended product from Amazon, really. Next one is portable collapsible water storage. Suppose you are traveling by car or by bus or train, it's better to carry enough water with you, and for that I found this container super handy with more storage capacity. Like, it has 10-liter storage capacity, and most importantly it's collapsible water storage, hence it's space saving water container, suitable to carry while trekking as well. Next one is my favorite, Selfie Stick. Nowadays, people are really fond of photos and videos like me, but this is not the case with everyone out there. Sometimes you may not find a person who can click your pictures and all. This is something which I always face. So in that case, you need a selfie stick with you. And here the product which I'm showing you has so many features, like it has LED light, then it has tripod stand, Bluetooth wireless remote, long selfie stick, so you can place it wherever you want, and with the help of wireless remote or even by setting timer in your mobile phone, you can easily click your pictures. It's all in one combo stick, I can say. I just loved it, and at the same time it's budget friendly too. And last but not the least, waste bag for carrying passports and other documents. Now here the question is why I have chosen waste bag. Because for carrying documents like passport and ID proofs, there are other types of bags as well. However, if you ask me, I feel at the airport we have multiple things to carry with us, like check-in baggage we have, then hand baggage. Apart from this, we have some documents, flight ticket, boarding pass. So it's better to have one waste bag with multiple small compartments in which you can carry your passport, ID proofs, tickets in separate compartment, and you can easily tie it on your waist, and you don't have to worry about losing it because it will be tied on your waist. So the one which I'm showing you on the screen right now is trendy waist pouch with 4 separate zipper pockets of different sizes for all your needs, and it has water resistant RFID material. I hope you found this video helpful. Please find all the product links in the description below. Also, do let me know in the comments section which product you found the most useful. And I will see you all in my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Thanks for watching.